In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a note for the recipient in DocuSign. We'll walk through the full process of creating an envelope, uploading a document, adding a note field, and sending it so your recipient can clearly see your message. This is a helpful feature when you want to give extra instructions or provide context directly inside the document experience. To begin, log into your DocuSign account. Once you're on the main dashboard, click Start. This is where you begin creating a new sending workflow. After that, choose Envelope. An envelope in DocuSign is the container that holds your document, recipients, and any fields you want to add before sending. Next, select Get Signatures. This option is used when you want to send a document out for someone to review and sign. It opens the standard signing setup flow and keeps the process simple. Now upload the document you want the recipient to sign. You can choose the correct file from your computer and wait for it to finish loading. Make sure you're using the final version of the document so you don't have to restart the process later. Once the file is uploaded, add the recipient. Enter the recipient's name and email address in the appropriate fields. Be careful to enter the email correctly, since that's where the signing request will be sent. When that's done, click next to continue to the document preparation screen. This is the area where you can place fields on the document for your recipient to interact with. From the Fields panel, select Note. The Note field is useful when you want the recipient to see a message directly on the document itself, instead of only relying on the email message that comes with the envelope. Then, drag the Note field onto the document and place it wherever you want the recipient to see it. Try to position it in a spot that makes sense visually, such as near the section it refers to, so the message is clear and easy to notice. After placing the field, click on the Note field and type the message you want the recipient to see. Keep your note short, direct, and easy to understand. This helps the recipient quickly know what the message is referring to without causing confusion. Once everything looks right, click Send to send the envelope with the note included. Your recipient will receive the document and be able to view the note in the location you added it. And that's it. You've successfully added a note for the recipient in DocuSign. Thanks for watching.